Hey people, welcome to the first ever study jam on Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program.
These came back from a search.
And we will be covering some important topics here, which is important for beginners. And these are: what is Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, understanding tracks and milestones, which you need to complete as a part of this syllabus, basic tool of Qwiklabs and Google Cloud Console. Let's head over. What is the Google Cloud Ready program? Now, the Google Cloud Ready program is a university level education program to provide students a strong theoretical knowledge as well as a practical hands-on training to launch your career in Google Cloud. We have all begun our journey with Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program, isn't it? So, in this program, you will be having online study jams and training sessions to help you start with the labs. As a part of this program, you need to complete the 3 tracks. These are cloud infrastructure, which includes basics and advanced level cloud knowledge, basics and advanced level cloud knowledge, cloud native application development, big data and ML. But wait, what will you get at the end of the program? You will be receiving a thank you card from a Google, and yes, a lot of goodies. We will be exploring those soon. Now, head over to the track 1, the cloud infrastructure. This track provides you the basic to advanced knowledge of cloud platform and its services. You will have 10 quests over here and 8 skill badges. Next, cloud native application development. Here again you have 10 quests and 3 skill badges. In the big data and ML, you will have 10 quests and 4 skill badges. In order to get the complete milestone, you need to complete all of these tracks. Now, many of you must be wondering what is skill badge. A skill badge is actually a test of your knowledge once you complete a particular quest. So, you will be given a task and you need to complete those tasks without any information given to how to complete those pathway given to how to complete those tasks, and you will have to use the knowledge previously again from the quest, and you will be completing those skill badges and get these skill badges. Okay, so at the end of the program, what will you get? Gain hands-on experience on Google Cloud, prove you have the demanding skills, and share your accomplishments by sharing your public profile on your resume. Now, one of the most important question frequently asked by people: what is the difference between quest and the skill badge? Imagine a quest as a collection of labs wherein wherein you focus on a particular topic, and each of the labs in a particular quest are emphasized on a particular topic, which is the name of the quest. For skill badges, the skill badges are a extension of the quest, which includes an extra lab, that is a challenge lab. Once you complete a challenge lab, you get a skill badge, and once you complete a quest, you get a quest badge. As I mentioned above, that the cloud infrastructure includes 8 badges, skill badges, cloud native app development includes 3 badges, and big data and machine learning includes 4 badges, skill badges. Now, how are these skill badges very crucial to us? We can add these skill badges to our resume or the LinkedIn public profiles, wherein we can mention we have 8 badges and we have completed 50 labs, and you link our public profile so that recruiters can see our public profile and actually have a knowledge that the particular individual has a knowledge of these topics. Now, a brief introduction of the milestones. You need to complete at least 8 quests and 4 skill badges to get t-shirt, pen, badge, stickers, and a thank you card from Google. If you want some more, then you need to complete 16 quests, 8 skill badges, then you get a sling bag along with t-shirt, pen, badge, stickers, thank you card from Google. Then you need to complete 24 quests and 12 skill badges to get laptop bag, sling bag, t-shirt, pen, badge, stickers, thank you card from Google. And if you want a career readiness program ticket, then you need to complete 30 quests and 15 skill badges, and then you will get a career readiness program seat, a laptop bag, sling bag, t-shirt, pen, badge, stickers, and thank you card from Google. The registrations have already been closed. So now, are you not eager to know your facilitators? Indeed? Then check out. This is 𝗁𝘁𝗵𝗂𝗆 from Institute of Technical Education and Research, 𝗁𝘆𝘁𝗵𝗃𝗃 University, Bhubaneswar, as your student facilitator. This is again Swasti Mishra, student facilitator from Institute of Technical Education and Research, 𝗁𝘁𝘁𝗵𝗃𝗃 University, Bhubaneswar. And this is your faculty facilitator, Dr. 𝗄𝘁𝗁𝗵𝗵 ma'am, who is coordinating the entire program and is also indirectly linked with you all in helping you to helping us in conduct sessions, and also she has achieved a PhD in cloud computing. So this is what the end of the program. Now, many of you will be wondering that how is this cloud knowledge being helpful to you? So Google Cloud has numerous certifications and badges which you can showcase in your resume to actually convince the recruiters that you have knowledge of Google Cloud. Google introduces a lot many certification courses and programs like the foundational cloud digital leader, associate level cloud engineer, professional cloud architect, cloud developer, data engineer, cloud DevOps, cloud security engineer, cloud network engineer, and many more. The Google also has a Google Cloud Certified Fellow program. Now, before you apply for a certificate, you can have knowledge through completing these Qwiklabs. You can earn skill badges over here, as you can see. It's already mentioned in the Google site that showcase your skills using those skill badges, and it's, believe me, it actually adds a lot of value to your resume. Now, we will be also getting through a brief knowledge of Google Career Readiness Program. Google Career Readiness Program is a Google Cloud organized program, and it's just similar to the Google I/O by Google. Okay, uh, and it's the greatest kind of gift we are getting from, and the opportunity we get from this program by completing the final milestone. Believe me, this program is a great opportunity for all of us. So now let's begin with the Qwiklabs session. Head over to the qwiklabs.com. Qwiklabs.com. It's already open, though I'm at. Okay, fine. You need to first sign in with your account, or sign up if you haven't created an account yet. We have moved to the Qwiklabs section, and this is the home. This is catalog and my learning. Pretty simple. Many of you had a doubt how to generate a public profile. So here it's the option view public profile. Just click on it. and this is your public profile. As I am a Google Cloud Facilitator, and so I have completed most of the labs and skill badges over here, quests. So you can see my quest badges as well as skill badges. So these are mine, and I can just show off anywhere in my public profiles. Okay, so now we will be going. So once look at here, you have a monthly subscription. Okay, if you want to check how much credits you have, you need to go to the settings section. In the subscription and credit section, you can check out all your histories of payments or subscriptions you had. Okay, so this is all about basics of Qwiklabs. Now we will be heading over to the Google Cloud Console. Okay, for that I will be switching my account first. Sign out, sign in. Let me open a new window. So I'm again signing in, okay, with another account, and this is sorry for the interruption. And get the password. So here we have, I'm just signing in. So yeah, now I'm going into a lab. For instance, for this session, we will be using the Google Cloud Essentials. Okay, and we will be going to the basics of the tour of Qwiklab. Okay, enroll in this quest first. So now I will be starting the lab. As soon as I start the lab, I get a captcha over here. Pretty irritating. Okay, so quickly checking in. The Qwiklabs assigns me certain usernames and passwords, so we need to use them to access our Google Cloud Console. So I'm just using the username and the password over here. Next, accept, confirm. So by then, let's understand what is Google Cloud Console. Okay, or the Google Cloud Platform as a whole. So Google Cloud Platform is a infrastructure by Google and is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure that Google uses internally for its end user products like Google Search, Gmail, file storage, YouTube, etc. It is basically used for computing, data storage, data analytics, machine learning, AI, etc. And uh, provides you multiple kind of services. Okay, the services are mainly categorized based upon infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and serverless computing. Okay, and this you can use Google Cloud Console for multiple wide variety of things, starting from the Android app for your mobile applications to web applications, and even for machine learning, BigQuery, and lot of stuff. Okay, so it's all about how much you explore it. So just clicking on the checkbox and agreeing to the conditions. So here in the tour of Qwiklabs and Google Cloud, we get a set of instructions. Qwiklab fundamentals, already we have done this. So here it shows that how much credit, the price for a lab is 1 credit, okay. And here this is the time you need to complete it before time, and this is the score. You will get a score, but this lab does not have a score section, okay. You get the score in the top right. So reading the following instruction, be sure to complete these quizzes, okay. Otherwise you won't get a lab completed. So it asks as a this builds a temporary environment in Google Cloud. Start lab button, okay. So when timer reaches 000, will lose access to your temporary Google. Yeah, it's true. Some labs have tracking which scores your completion on of hands-on lab activities. True, of course, there are scores to track how much have we progressed. In order to receive completion credits or for a lab that is tracking, you must complete the required hands-on lab activities. True, of course. You won't get a complete score unless you complete all the tracks. Now, assessing the Google Cloud Console. Okay, we will be exploring the Google Cloud Console now. Now, just head over to the different information given here. The field is not found in the left pane. So can you find which field is not found in the left pane? Project ID is there. This is your GCP project ID. Remember, this is your password. This is the open Google Console button. Here you can click and it opens into a new Google Console. And you don't have the system admin over here, so submit it. Now, the username in the left panel, which resembles this, is a Cloud IAM identity. Yeah, it's stored in your Cloud IAM identity. Wait, I'm showing you. In the Cloud IAM admin, go to IAM section. Here you will have all the users of your account. So you can find GCP, your project ID, GCP 0037, and this GCP 0037 as your own. This is your own account which you are using, and you have the roles as an editor and a viewer, both. You can read as well as write into this console, okay. So projects in Google Console. First of all, let's understand what is the how is the console made up of. Let's switch to the home. This is a basic dashboard which you can customize upon your own purpose. It shows how much resources do you use. Make sure you don't use much of the resources, otherwise Qwiklabs will automatically ban your account, okay. So this is the cloud shell. The in Qwiklabs cloud console, you can either access the services either through the cloud console or through the UI of the dashboard, okay. So you have both of these options. You can use command line tools to actually access the services and create instances or deploy some cluster, okay. So like and delete cluster, creating clusters and all those, okay. Using APIs as a with passwords, okay. So all those things can be done through the command line itself. And if you don't feel comfortable with the command line, then you can switch over to the UI section. So this is the compute engine. Here we can create a VM virtual machine instance. A virtual machine instance has is nothing but a subsystem of our computers itself, okay, with a variable computational power and storage limits. So uh, it's all about we have completed. So an organizing entity for anything you build with Google Cloud is your Google Cloud project. Qwiklab resources is shared read-only with all Qwiklab user, which means that you cannot delete or modify. Qwiklabs resources is the project where you run all your labs and steps. True, false, sorry. So fine. I have already discussed the navigation and just we will be skipping them. Okay, so different services that Google Cloud provides is compute, storage, network, cloud operation, cloud that is called cloud functions, tools, big data, artificial intelligence, etc. We have also already the scaled IAM and admin section, and find your GCP ID over this username over here. Okay, you can edit your accesses, offer quick access to the platform services, and also outlines its offerings. Navigation menu. Primitive roles set project level permissions and unless otherwise specified, control access and management to all Google Cloud services. True. Modify all viewer permission plus permissions for actions that modify state, such as changing existing resources. Editor role. Okay, so APIs and services. Here you can explore the API and services section. Go to the navigation menu. See, come to the top. It's API and services at the top. Come to dashboard, the library section. Okay, Google Cloud provides multiple APIs for Maps, Places API, SDK for iOS, SDK for Android, and multiple Dialogflow API. And these can be used in the later of labs. Okay, you will be exploring. When you start a lab in Qwiklabs, you need to enable APIs in your project to start working with Google Cloud. No, you don't need. You need it for a particular instance. Okay, so that's all you need to do here. You can use the command lines. You can just copy paste from here and paste it in your command line to execute a command. Okay, description of the functionalities implemented is also explained very well in this section, so it's all fun. And your lab, and yes, you have completed with the lab. So I hope this session has been fruitful to you all, and hope to meet you all in the next session. Thank you and have a good day.